Okay, so I've got some new devices here that I have in these in here because today is my birthday, so I got new fire alarm devices. And it's 7:39 in the morning. Don't normally wake up at that time. Let's see. Okay. Let's unbox this one right here. So I've got a box cutter knife, and let's open it. I want to scratch the table. Nice. Got another spool of wire. Just another spool of wire. It's a little bit bigger, actually. Some more garbage. And then some box. I'm trying to cover my face so I don't get face reveal. Got this flat one right here. Try to not show the address. Okay, we've got 4-inch back box. It's a single gang adapter. It's got stickers on it as well. I need to work at that later. We've got a sticker. So it's the first thing. Kind of a weird present, but okay. Let's unbox this big one here. See, big. So let's unbox this one. I'm gonna do it off camera. What is this? We've got a lot of stuff in here. It's a giant roll of paper, and we've got that's not it. This is it. This is a simplex 4905 9938 smart sync module. So that means I'm now able to run smart sync devices. So if I want, I can now buy a simplex. If I want to buy like a smart sync true alert, I can finally do that. You've got manual. So here it is, in its packaging right there in all its glory. So I'm just gonna boom, and pops right out, and there you go. Sync module right here. Pretty nice looking. See. So I could just, control the, see, still got like 3 left. I'm gonna put all the garbage in here. Paper off the set aside. Some box. This one. Let's just go with it. This one. Another 4-inch back box. So look at this. If I take the screws, hold on, let me go ahead. We have 2 more things left. There is one more thing coming in the mail, which is actually just a back box extender ring, so that I can install the module between the simplex module between the back boxes. So that means I can do this. I'm also going to verify that it fits. Oh, it fits like. See, you can do that now. All right. Next, let's unbox. I'm not going to show the address, but no, this is not an I got this for. Okay. No, this is not Amazon. This is eBay, actually. So somebody just used Amazon tape. Find that odd. So let's open it. And we've got ourselves bubble wrap. What the hell is that? We've got a this. Oh man. Oh, 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 oh. Got a simplex True Alert. Model 4903 9418. Don't know if this thing can focus. Yep, from 2000. So 43rd day or 44th week of 2000. It's got a bunch of stuff on it. Probably gonna have to clean this thing. This thing's pretty old. And then I'll just open it right now and show you. This device is 2 wires, so it requires a module, which I already have. That's why I bought the module, so I could run this. Okay, 75 candela. I can't do this with one hand. Sorry. I've got one more thing left. I'll make sure I'll save some space. I'm just gonna pop the cover off. I'll just cut the video. I'm just gonna probably cut this part. There's your horn and there's your, yeah, so yep, 9418, just like what my primary school used. So I now have a got a 9418 that can now go with my 9331 down here. So that's really nice. So, and then last thing, here's the last package. Just gonna rip it. We've got a simplex ceiling strobe, model 4906-9104. Multi-candela strobe. That's pretty much it right here. So the things I got here: module and True Alert, ceiling strobe, wire, 2 things here.